Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a content creator or if you're thinking of becoming a content creator, you have to watch this video to the end. For the past 2 to 3 days now, I've been seeing content creators saying their channel got demonetized and they are about to quit YouTube. Now, let's talk about things that can get you demonetized, or even if you're not monetized yet, if you do these things, your channel is not going to be monetized. It's not even going to get monetized at all. So I'm going to be telling you ways to avoid it, things you can do if you're someone that is already affected, things you can do to make it right, and how you can stop doing those things, even that your channel won't get demonetized. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is content violation. YouTube has a specific rules about the type of content that can be monetized. There are some content that if you make now, you are not even going to near monetization. Few people are going to still scale through. But once the AI detects that YouTube, your channel is also among those content that can't be monetized, you're going to get demonetized. So don't think because you're already monetized that you don't need to make changes too. You have to make changes. There are certain content that you cannot make on YouTube. Example of such content is inappropriate language. If you're someone that use all these F word that you can't even talk, you can't even make a sentence without using all this F word. If the AI detects that your content, that those type of words, all this swearing, or you are making adult content, you know what I mean by adult content? Hmm. That you are going to get demonetized, or even if you are not monetized, you won't need that monetization at all. Or your content, you're making all this violence content, blood, and so on. Any content that is disturbing, that is going to disturb viewers. If you make such content, you're going to get demonetized. There is this my friend. She's also a creator here on YouTube. When she wanted to start her content creation journey, so she was making content. She was even taking content from people's page. She did not even know that such content cannot be used on YouTube. So she was taking all this content that was disturbing, like all these accident content, anything that was going viral on Facebook and TikTok, she would just bring it on YouTube, and the AI did not even detect it early. So she was thinking she was getting the watch hour, she was growing her page, she was getting subscribers, she was growing really fast on YouTube. You know, some people like negative things, and negative things trends faster. So she was making all this content and she got lucky. Hmm. The AI did not detect it. But when she applied for monetization, she got that monetization invitation not even up to 2 months that she started on YouTube. So when she got to that stage, it was now when they did background check on her content before you get monetized. You know, YouTube is going to do all this content review on your page. So it was then that YouTube told her that she was not going to get monetized because of the kind of content she was using, because of the kind of content she was making. It was not even about reused content or anything, but all this violent content is not going to get monetized. Even if you are lucky that it gets monetized, there one day, the AI is going to pick it up and you're going to get demonetized. So avoid using all this content, all this F word, swearing, all this blood, anything that is going to disturb viewers, don't use it on your content. So you can get demonetized for that. Another thing is dangerous or harmful acts. Hmm. If you're making content and you're making challenge, you see some content creators telling people that there's a challenge ongoing, that if you do this, if you do that, and some people can get armed. People can easily get armed doing those challenge that you're saying. You know, YouTube is going to take that video down, or you're going to get demonetized, or you're going to get your channel might even get deleted. You might get lucky after posting it and not seeing any copyright issue. But anything can happen in the future and your channel can get removed. Anything that can harm or hurt someone. If you're even saying it with your words, if you're not making a challenge, if you're saying something that is suggesting how to harm someone, is not allowed on YouTube at all. So you have to be you have to be very conscious of the kind of video you post on YouTube. There are some community guidelines guiding YouTube. I've talked about it. There are some community guidelines guiding you to bullying is not allowed, hate speech is not allowed. You see some content creators, you're making a video and you're smoking something that is illegal, your content is going to get flagged. So you have to be very careful about doing that. When you're making a video, you have to be careful of your surroundings. You have to be careful of anything that can get your content shadow ban or anything like that. You have to be careful of all these scams, suggesting to people ways on how they can lose their money, all these investment speech. You have to be really careful with it. It can get your channel demonetized. People are going to start reporting your channel. Even without them reporting it, YouTube AI can discover it and bring down your channel. So you have to be really careful. When introducing something to your community, you have to be really careful on YouTube. Copyright issue. That's another main issue. If you're using a music or a video without the consent of the owner, you know you are going to get copyrighted. If you're using any video or music without that person's consent, you can be sharing revenue with the person. The person might even report your page and you get copyrighted. So you can't use someone content or music without the person's permission. Even reaction videos, you have to be really careful when making it. Yes, you can use someone's video, you can use someone's content and react on it, but you know there's a limit to it. There's a limit to it. Before you can use someone's content, you have to make some changes. You have to make it your own. There are some basic editing things that you have to do on it, like the music, like the clip. Even you have to talk and show your face on it. You have to talk and show your face on it. You can't just use someone's content completely. You can't just bring it here completely. You have to work on it and make it your own. Do you know thumbnail and background can also get you demonetized? Hmm. Some pictures that you use on your thumbnail, they are already copyrighted. If you use such picture, you're going to get demonetized. You're going to get copyrighted. So before you make use of a picture on the internet, make research, see if the person has already copyrighted it, or use all these free tools to generate pictures that you can use. It's better that way than just going on these sites. I don't want to mention the names of the sites, but there are some sites that if you use their picture on your thumbnail, you're going to get copyrighted. So make research before you can't just go and use someone's face on your video thumbnail. No, make use of your face. If you don't want to make use of your face on your thumbnail, use wordings. It's better that way. Another one is repetitive or reused content. Hmm. Reused content does not have to be someone's content. You can even be repeating your own content and still get demonetized. There are some people, I've seen a lot of people. I have a friend also. Our channel got demonetized. She was getting views, she was getting subscribers, she was doing really well on her channel. So there was no reason for YouTube to demonetize her channel, but YouTube still demonetized her. Do you know the reason? Because she reused a video. She did not know that she already posted that video, that particular video. And before she even discovered the problem, she had deleted almost all her videos. She deleted almost all her videos on the channel. She was left with only few because she was thinking that all those videos were the problem. Even when those videos were her videos, she still got it. She still got demonetized. So she was now worried that I've deleted this thing and it's still showing that I have a reused content. What would have happened? It was now after she called all these YouTube big YouTubers to review her channel for her. That's when they discovered that one of her video appeared twice on her channel. So what I want you to do now is that go back to your page, go back to your channel, go and check if you have two videos, two same videos on your channel. Go and delete one of it. Go and delete one of it. So you posting same video, don't think that is when somebody reports your YouTube channel that you can get demonetized. It's not only that time that you can get demonetized. It's not only by reporting someone. Even you posting without reporting yourself, you can still get demonetized. So go and check all your videos. Go and check it if you repeat posting a video. You might do it unconsciously. It might even be your network posting a video for you twice and you will not even bother to check again. So go and check if you have a video, if one of your videos is reused, Go and check now. I'm not talking about shorts, creating shorts from your long form video. I'm going to talk about that in another video. That cannot get you demonetized. You can create shorts from your long form video. You can edit shorts even from your YouTube channel. So for it to be there, that means it's legal for you to use it. So you can create shorts from your long form video. That's not going to be an issue. But you creating two videos, YouTube is going to see it as a scam. It's going to be as if you want to use one video to make money twice on YouTube, and they are going to flag that channel. So go and check all your videos and check if you have to, even if you are not monetized, it's still going to harm your channel if you have to same video on your channel. Even if the title is different or the thumbnail, it's still the same reused content. That content is still the same. So go and delete it right now. Go and check and delete it. Do you also know that misleading title, thumbnail, tags can also get you demonetized? I've said it. If your title is misleading, if you're saying something and that thing is different from the video content is different from your title, people can report your page. If they report your page, you're going to get demonetized. So misleading title is even going to affect your channel because people are not going to watch that video to the end. People are just going to leave at the beginning of your video. So once they leave at the beginning of your video, YouTube will automatically think that that video is not good enough for their platform. So they are not going to send it to any person to view that content again. So you're just going to get shadow banned safe. If people are not spending a long time on your video, let's say you post a 20-minute video and almost everybody watching that video are leaving in the first minutes of your video, YouTube is going to automatically think that that content is bad for their platform because they want content that is going to make people stay longer on their platform. They want you to make video that is going to hook people to their platform. If someone is planning to spend 5 minutes on YouTube, after watching your video, that person is spending 10 minutes, you know it's a win-win for YouTube. So that's the kind of content they want. So if you are posting a misleading title, it's even going to harm your channel. People are going to leave at the beginning of your video. They are not going to, and that's going to affect your click-through. I know you want to use a clickbait, but use it moderately. Use it moderately. You don't want that clickbait to be entirely wrong. So you don't want it to be misleading totally. So I'm not saying you should not use a clickbait on your title or your thumbnail. Use it, but be moderate with it. Don't go and start exaggerating things. So don't start lying to people, leading them to report your channel. Even if they are not reporting it, YouTube might bring it down. Even if they are not reporting it, your algorithm is going to reduce. YouTube is not going to push your videos on people any longer. They are going to shadow ban your content. It's going to affect your channel. Even it's not going to affect only that video, it's going to affect other videos because automatically you're telling YouTube that you don't know what you're saying on YouTube, you don't know what you're doing on YouTube. So the kind of things you're doing is not even something people want to watch. So automatically, are they going to push it to people to watch again? No, they're not going to do that. So you have to stop using misleading title. The last thing I want to talk about is not posting a video in the last 6 months. Even if you're already monetized and you don't post a video within 6 months, YouTube is going to remove that monetization from your channel because YouTube is not going to pay for someone that is not active on their platform. You can post a video once in a month, even once in 3 months. You can post a video once in 5 months. Well, once you post a video after 6 months, you're already demonetized. YouTube is going to demonetize you. And even if they are still paying you, that means the AI has not figured you out. Once the AI figure you out, they can stop paying you at any time. So you might get lucky and not get demonetized instantly after clocking that 6 months. So these are the ways you can get demonetized on your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about ways and things you can do to stop getting demonetized or to stop getting shadow ban or to stop getting copyright strike on your videos. Let's talk about things and ways you can do. Number one, follow the community guidelines. You have to follow YouTube community guidelines and you get copyright free music on YouTube. I'm going to make a video soon on how you can get free YouTube copyright music. Leave a comment for me in the comment section and I'm going to make a video on that. Another thing is use original and licensed material. If you use your own content, so that you are so that you avoid using someone's content. I've seen people using people's content, and they even got monetized using people's content because they were lucky. AI did not figure them out. Those people did not even report them because they were still not monetized. But immediately they got monetized, those people started getting reports. The people that they use their content reported them. Some people will even wait. If you are getting 1K view on their content, they will not make any report. They will wait till you start getting hundreds of thousands of views on that content. That's when they will now copyright that content. That content might be even free for you to use. They will not say anything. They even want you to use it for free. They will leave it for you to use for free. But after a while, they will now go and copyright that material. What are you going to do when they do that? You say that that video, you're already going to be sharing the revenue with them, or they are going to be making all the money. You just made the video for them. You're not going to be getting any money. So examples of such content is you using someone's free picture. You search on the internet and you saw a free material, a free picture of someone, and you're using that picture, and that picture is free to use. Everybody know that picture is free. I've seen many sites that I used to do such a thing. So their materials are free to use. After a while, if they see that they are now popular, people are now using their content, that's when they now start using copyright. They now copyright all their content and their old content too. You using their old content too, your video is going to be affected. So use your own video or use your own picture to avoid such a thing. So avoid the person waking up one day and starts making claims on your video. Be consistent and transparent. Show up every time, even if it's not every day. I've been saying this, even if it's not every day, consistency does not mean you coming online every day. It does not mean you coming online almost every day. You can come online once or twice a week, even 4 times in a month. If that's how consistent you want to be, you can come online every day if you're chanced. So always be consistent. And it's not just about being consistent. Add value, bring searchable content. Don't just come and be consistent without bringing value. Some contents are evergreen. Even after 10 years, people are still going to search for that content. Make such content. Don't go and be making one time hit content, one time that viral content. Don't follow trend that after a month people are going to forget about that content. Make evergreen content. If you follow all these guidelines, your channel is not going to be demonetized even in years to come. So always check the guidelines and do all the necessary things I've mentioned in this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and leave a comment and hit on that subscription button. And if you have any question for me, ask in the comment section. I'm going to answer every question. I answer every question personally. So on how you can solve that YouTube problem that you have, just drop a comment for me under the comment section and I'm going to come back and reply you. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.